Welcome to my channel, Internet Quality Academy. This channel is specially designed for the site engineer, civil engineer, and the quality control engineer who wants to build their career in the construction quality control. In this channel, I will provide the information, knowledge, and the strategy how to become a quality control expert in the constructions. In this today's video, I will discuss the most important things that what is the roles and responsibility of a quality control engineer in the construction projects. To perform well or to give the better result, one must know what is their duty at the workplaces. So quality control engineer must know what is the duty at the construction projects. So today's video, I will discuss all these points. Hi, I'm Kamal Banerjee, a civil engineer and quality control expert. I have more than 20 years of experience in India and international level in various construction projects for as a quality control experts. So let's jump into the subjects. What is the roles and responsibility of a quality control engineer? The first things the quality control engineer should know to develop and implement quality control procedure. So first thing, what quality control engineer should develop a quality control procedure. How to develop quality control procedure? To develop a quality control procedure, first to know what is the end product or what is the customer requirements. If I want to develop a plan, I have to know what is the outcome or the out product. Then I can only input and only design the process. The first thing to know what is the end product or what is the customer requirement. How to know that one? For that, you need to read specification, read the drawings, and any other tender documents. Then you will analyze and summarize that these are the requirement, and on that basis, how to prepare a quality control plan. How maybe this end product has several activities, and several activities are interlinked, and some activities are not interlinked. On that basis, you have to prepare a quality plan. In what phases we have to do the construction and how we'll do the construction. What is the will be the construction sequence to meet the customer target or customer quality. And when is the quality plan is prepared, you have to implement the plan. Until and unless we implement the plan, there is no value. So first things, know the develop and implemented quality control procedure. So know the end product or the customer requirements. On that basis, prepare the quality plan and then implement the quality control plan. This is the first duty of a quality control engineer. Second is quality inspection. Yes, without the inspection, quality cannot be achieved. So quality control engineer is duty is to inspect each and everything, whatever is needed to complete the project or whatever is needed to deliver the project as per the customer requirement. So there are several inspections: material inspection, material storage inspection, work inspections, and the process inspection. What is material inspection? Whenever the material is reached at site, you need to check the material, whether it is as per the drawing or that is the spec or as per the IS codes or any other relevant codes delivered as per this project specification not. So it will comply, then only the material should enter into the site. So that's the material inspection. Then material storage inspection. It is very much important that if we maintain everything, we have bring the material, the best quality material, we have developed the process, we have the workmanship, but still we cannot achieve the quality because we have done improper storage. If it is improper storage, the quality will be deteriorated. Second example, if we store the reinforcement bar into the ground and it is open, then eventually it will take the moisture from the environment and with the help of oxygen, it will get rust and the material quality will be deteriorated. So you should know how to storage the material also. So in that case, you need to farm platform, which is not to be connected with the soil and it should be covered. So these are the material storage inspection, which quality engineer must ensure before going to the workplaces. And then work inspection. The work inspection, there will be several work inspections, like surveillance inspection, witness inspection, and the hold point inspection. So quality control engineer, when they are developing the quality control procedure, that inspection should be in the sequential, and on that sequence there should be an inspection. And sometimes it's a process inspection. Whatever the process we develop, whether we are implementing the process in the proper way or not, that process inspection also the quality engineer should do. So the quality inspection is very much important because without the quality inspection, product conformity cannot be happen. So this is the main point of the quality control is that inspection is required. Then communicate with the project team. Yes, this is really important. I have developed the quality procedure, quality plan, inspection plan, test procedure, everything. But it is not communicated with the project team because project team will do the execution in the project. So if it is not delivered to them, they will do as per their own, and the quality will not be achieved. So first things, communicate with the project team. How establish a communication matrix or the communication sequence. How you will communicate each and every document to the project team or any other stakeholders who are involving in the process. And whenever any document is coming, circulate the documents effectively. What will be that? So that information will be passed to each and everyone who are involving in the process. Then everybody will work in the common goal, and the common goal is to deliver the product as per the customer requirement. So effective communication is the key of a successful quality control engineer. The next part is conduct training and education. Why? Because without the training and education, quality cannot be achieved. Because in the construction, there are many people will come and many people will go. And the main workforce or the laborers are the skilled or the semi-skilled. So they are not well educated. So you need to do the quality induction. Whenever any new person or any worker is coming at the site, you have to provide the quality induction to them that this is our quality standard and you have to work as per this quality standard. So let them educated and let them understand what is your quality requirement. And then is work training. Any activities, whenever we are starting, we have to give the training to the people who are involving in the activities. So they will know what they have to do and what they do not have to do. So in that process, they will be educated and they will deliver the product as per the record. They will ease the quality control engineer work. Otherwise, every time quality engineer has to go and they have to say, oh, you have to do this, you have to do this, you should not do this. No, the work training should be given before any activity will start. Then the process training. What is the process training? What is the process I want to implement at the site? Or what is the process I will do the concrete or what let's say an example of the concrete. How I will do the concrete. This is the process. So people should know that this is the process. See, this way the transmission will come. There will be the concrete pump, and concrete pump will be the port. There will be the foreman. There will be the people. There is this number of people. We have to take the slab. We have to take this all the procedure. This training should be given to the concerned people, so they will understand what they have to do in the process. And the material training. This is also a very important part. If any material is coming, how to use that one and how to implement that one, how to apply on the product, that everything should be given to the concerned person, the training, that this has to be followed to maintain the quality or to achieve the quality. And it's not only the work, in a regular interval also, you have to give the training and take the feedback from them, in how we can develop the process, refine the process so that the quality can be ensured. So conduct training and education also a vital part for the quality control engineer. The next part is monitor and analyze data. The success of any quality control engineer depends on how much data he or she collect and analyze. Because without the data, you are just another person with an opinion. And in the projects, the opinion, it does not matter. Only data is matter. So collect data as much as possible and then analyze the data and you can get the solution. Suppose concrete is tube strength is failing. Okay. So collect the data. How much percent is failing and which date is failing and why it is failing, what is the procedure, what is the condition, environment condition was that time, and who was the worker, and what time a concrete is poured. In all the data you have to collect to know why is the root cause. So collect the data as much as possible, analyze the data, and if I analyze the data, you will get the solution. Because every quality control engineer has to give the solution in any project. So analyze and monitor data is the main, another important part of quality control engineer's roles and responsibilities. Next is investigate and roles resolve the quality issue. Now, in the project, there will be some quality issue. Now, as a quality control engineer, this is the responsibility to investigate why this quality issue has happened, and then you have to give the solution. The first, perform the root cause analysis. This is the main thing that any quality issue has happened, the quality control engineer should do the root cause analysis. And according to the root cause analysis, we will find out these are the steps, and these are the problem, or these are the work. Suppose the plaster you have done, and the plaster is not in the level and the or the line or the crack is out. So what is the root cause? You have to do the root cause. Suppose you find that the mason who is working is not capable. That's why in that place only these things happen. Another place is okay. Now we have find out the mason. Then what is the corrective action? Mason has to give the training. Mason has to give hand-on experience. These are the provide action. And what is the preventive action? Then every mason when is coming, they have to give the training. So these are the preventive action. So how we will give the predictive and the preventive action, investigate and root cause analysis. This is also a part of the quality control engineer roles or responsibility. Another part of documentation. Yes, without the document, quality control engineer cannot success in a project. The first thing what we will do in this process, develop a document control procedure. Without the proper document control procedure, no, it cannot be possible. The first things you have to map it out when the document is coming from the consultant, or when the document coming from the client, or the document coming from the design office. So these are document will be categorized, and who will be informed when the document is coming, and how it keep, and when and where it is kept, what is the keeping procedure, and how I will maintain the log. This document is in the rack, in this rack, this document in these boxes. So everything is in the document, development document control procedure, and it should be in the fingertips. Yeah. If anything, I need the document, you know, this document is in the rack of number 33 years, because there is a log. You can see the log and you can find out the document. And keep record as per the procedure. Don't violate the procedure. If it violates the procedure, it will be very difficult to find out the documents and distribute a document and the concerned person in the party. Why? Because we have to work in the common goal to maintain the quality or the deliver the project. So the document should be transparent and it should be distributed to the concerned person whenever it is reached as soon as possible. And the next part is subcontractor selection. Any project without the subcontractor, it cannot be possible to perform. So subcontractor is contractor is the main essential part of any successful project. Now, how to select a subcontractor? That is also important part, and quality control engineer has their duty during the selection of the subcontractor. Why? Provide input for selection of the subcontractor. And what is the criteria? Suppose criteria is the subcontractor should be minimum 10 years of experience, or they have the minimum 5 projects similar to your project. So these things you have to give to your purchase team or the contract team, so they can select the contractor and check subcontractor quality in line with the project quality. Why? It is very important. So whenever you are selecting subcontractor, ask them to submit their project quality plan. So they will submit and you will check whether it is in line with your project quality or not. If it is not, please do not select the contractor or let them follow your project quality. So that your product will be delivered as per your project quality plan or the project quality plan. So the product conformity will be ensured. So this subcontractor selection is very important, and quality control engineer has their roles and responsibilities in subcontractor selection. Now, the last part, but not the least, this is update on industry standard and the regulation. Why? Because every time the new technology is coming and the new codes are coming. So you have to keep an eye on that, because a quality control engineer must be sort of knowledge on relevant standard and different codes and standard and authority requirement. These things and required for the success of a project, and quality control engineer must know all this. And every time he or she should be their antenna is alert. If any new technology is coming, they have to adopt that one. They have to take them and up to date all the regulations and the industry standard. So these are the main roles and responsibility of the quality control engineers in project for the construction project site. I hope you will find it is beautiful, useful, and if you find it is useful, please subscribe my channel and like and share so other people also get benefited. And if you have any queries or any thing you want to know from me, kindly comment in the below so that I can also give you the proper feedback or you can come back with the proper content. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Thank you very much.